Hey friends, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Geraldine. If it's your first time, I welcome you in a special way, okay? This is to thank you all who has been with me throughout 2019. As I'm filming, it's 31st. Yeah, I'm not sure if the video will go up today or tomorrow, but in any case, I wish you a pleasant year ahead, and I say thank you so much for a beautiful 2019. Yeah, if it's your very first time, do be kind to subscribe and click the notification bell. That way you always know when I upload my videos. Okay, yeah. So that said, today I thought to share with us this Zobo juice recipe. Normally, if you're used to Zobo, we make it like we cook it, just cook the Zobo leaves and put some ginger, and then some people add some artificial sweetening stuffs to it, kind of flavorings. Yeah, but in this recipe it's not going to be your usual Zobo drink. Yeah, because I'm going to make it in a way that it feels more like juice. It feels more like a sweet drink without necessarily adding the artificial flavorings. Yeah, so guys, let's get into it. This drink, I'm excited to share it with you. Okay, so guys, I'll quickly show you how I make this Zobo recipe. Like, Zobo is the hibiscus flower. Yeah, we call it Zobo in Nigeria. Yeah, these are the dry leaves, so I have this amount, and because I don't like to add sugar to it or any of those artificial. Yeah, so I'll put this now in a plate and just drop in my fridge while we let this guy cook here. So it's gonna be boiling for, let's say, 15-20 minutes or thereabout. Yeah. Yeah, so our pear is sweet fruit. Yeah, remember, we're not going to be using sugar, so we want to make sure that the fruits we're using are actually ripe and sweet. The reason we're using banana, you can see it's very ripe. Yeah, but not overripe. And then the pear, see, yeah, so it's quite sweet. Guys, our fruits, our sweetener, our fiber, everything in one, they are ready. So let's move on to the next stage. Okay, so guys, here is the plan. We're gonna be putting our fruits in the blender and give it a very good blend. Like, we blend until it's very smooth. Yeah, so instead of adding my pineapples to the cooking Zobo leaves, I'm gonna be blending and adding it alongside these fruits at the end. Just hang on and see what I'll be take this out any day. Yeah. And my cup, so I'll just cover this cup. I must drink this night, guys. Thank you so much for hanging on. Yeah, I really appreciate you. If you haven't subscribed, please do that, and click the notification bell as well. That way you always know whenever I upload my videos. Okay? Yeah. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful day. Bye.